This is the end of a beautiful movie. This is the highlight of my day, really. The best whatever could happen to me is Richard getting stuck here in the water. Also, his car is running again. But for how long? Was your engine not running anymore?
I shut it off.